Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. Guys, you know I love to decorate my home. I love to change the colors. As you already know, it's summer, so I want to bring out some blue for you guys. Last week I decorated my home in yellow. I really love to play with colors. And guys, if you are someone that doesn't like colors, so that's fine. But me, I love to play with colors and I love to decorate my home. That's why I'll bring you along with me as I decorate my home. I'm not a professional, I just love to do my things. Alright guys, as you can see, I have this water that I bought some times ago. I get it from Temu and it's so nice, and I always make my centerpiece in this vase. I get this vase from Home Goods and my garland from Hobby Lobby, and I love to create my centerpiece very beautiful because that's the focal point whenever you come to your home. That's gonna elevate the table setting. Alright guys, if you are someone that doesn't like to do all those extra, that's fine, but me, I like everything to be extra. Alright guys, this placement I get them from I believe Amazon, and today I'm going to set up a table of 4. If you're a home decor lover guys and you love to decorate your home without breaking the bank, you come into the right place, because me, I can give you ideas on how to decorate your home on a budget, how to elevate your home, make your home look expensive without breaking the bank. Okay guys, I'm going to use these beautiful chargers. I don't really remember where I get them from because I have them for a super long time, but I haven't used them yet. And guys, I really love to use chargers in my table setting. It's not for everybody, but if you don't like to use charger, you can always skip the charger part. And guys, I'm going to use those beautiful dining set. This video is in collaboration with BZYOO that sent me those products. Those guys are 14 inches platters. They are made with melamine, and guys, I love them. They're beautiful and they're very functional, multifunction. You can use them as a platter or you can use them as a charger. The pattern is so modern, so beautiful. And guys, it's made of 100% melamine. Melamine is a type of plastic. Guys, they are so good, so user friendly guys, and they're beautiful. They look expensive for the money. They have other styles in ceramic as well. Perfect size, dishwasher safe. You just cannot use it in the microwave. I really love the design. I'm going to order for more to make them as a charger. Okay guys, for the second box is a dinnerware set. Include 4 dining plates 11 inches and 4 salad plates 9 inches and 4 bowls 5.8 inches. Perfect for indoors and outdoors guys. Modern contemporary design, very good way to elevate your home without worry about your plate being broken, especially for the summer season when you're serving people food, so you don't have to worry about anything. I love the pattern, the design is super nice. The name of it is 12 pieces by the melamine plate and bowl dinnerware set. The color is French navy. Guys, you can go wrong with this. They are very pretty for the month. For this video guys, I'm going to use them indoors because it has been raining so much lately, so I cannot do any outdoor decor at this moment. The link will be in the description box down below. Be sure to check them out. And for this one, they are 14 ounces Spidey plastic tumbler. They set of 6, and as you can see, the material is super nice. For cold drink, very good. And guys, I saved the best for last. I love those. They are so pretty, so functional, and guys, I go to work with them every day. I receive so many compliments. My coworker love them, my niece love it. Oh, everybody love those cup. They're super nice. Once you put ice on them, they last for the entire day. And I went to our chef, and to be able to have my eyes stay for that long. It's super good. Save me some trip to the cafeteria because from where I work, from my floor to the cafeteria is a long one. Guys, you need something like that for the summer. It keep your hot beverage hot and keep your cold beverage cold. So super good. This one is my favorite color. I love it so much. Before I go to work, I always pack it with ice, fill it with ice, guys, and just add my green juice, and I'm good to go. I love it so much. I love the color, perfect for the summer and fall that's coming very soon. And guys, everybody love it. And I have to hide my green juice because everybody always asks me what you're drinking, but having this one, it's a must have. It's a game changer. I love it, guys. The link will be in the description box down below. If you are looking for something like this, make sure to check the box. Okay guys, let's finish up the table setting and keep on watching.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring.
If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that you to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, I do clean with me, DIY. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, those wine glass, I have them for a super long time and I haven't used them yet. They're so pretty and I know they go perfectly with my decor. And guys, I always say if you're a home decor lover, you shop a lot, make sure to shop your home. You may have some very beautiful things that you don't even remember. I had the wine glass, I didn't remember that I had them. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si c'est la première fois, moi c'est bienvenue, non moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo ça va montrer nous qui j'aimerais décorer moi en bleu. Si vous aimez, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier la grande commentaire en bas vidéo et share vidéo pour qu'à supporter davantage. Et ce n'est pas la première fois tout, moi je vous merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi aimez nous.
Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci guys. je vous en prie, n'oublie pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amis pour tout support. Je vous aime.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. In the first box, guys, I'm going to unbox this one. You can use it as a tray if you want, or you can use it as a charger. Either way, it's super nice to have. The pattern is so beautiful. The material is plastic, but it made out super good quality material, guys. And you can see it doesn't look cheap. It looks super nice and affordable and durable. That's the beautiful part. And guys, they are not microwave safe. I don't